Hello, annyeonghaseyo. Welcome to this amazing platform. I am Mamata and I'll be your Korean trainer for today. In the last class, we did hwaldong or daily activities. Today, we are going to learn about 장소, which are places. Starting off with 어휘 or vocabulary, the first 어휘 for today is 학교. 학교 is a school. So you'll also notice that words which are related to academics often have the word hak in it. 학생, a student. 학교 is a school. Next we have 회사. 회사 is a company. OE gives me a where sound. Yes, we did 회사원, a company officer, a company employee. Yes, so 회사 is a company. Next we have 집. 집 is a home or a house. Continuing, we have 공원. 공원 is a park. U or gives me a wa sound. So 공원 is a park. Next we have 식당. 식당 is a restaurant. Coming from the word 식사. 식사 is to have a meal. So 식당 is a restaurant. Next we have 시장. 시장 is a market. A collection of various different kinds of shops. 시장 is a market. Then we go on to 극장 and 영화관, which are movie theaters. 극장 and 영화관. OR gives me a wa sound. So 영화관. 영화 is a movie. 영화관 is a movie theater. Next we have 도서관. 도서관 is a library. Moving on to cafe. Cafe is like the very English word cafe. Cafe is a cafe. Next we have 병원. 병 is a disease. So 병원 is a hospital. U gives me a wa sound. 병원. Next we have 약국. 약 is medicine. So 약국 is a pharmacy. Continuing, we go to 경찰서. So we did 경찰, a police officer. So 경찰서 is a police station. Last OV for today is 소방서. 소방서 is a fire station. Now we go on to 문법 for today. Our first 문법 is 에 가다, 에 오다. So 에 가다 and 에 오다, I'll add two location nouns to indicate where am I going. They indicate the direction of where we are going or coming towards. Yes. So we know gada is to go, oda is to come. So to go somewhere, to come somewhere. Okay. Now let's see how I'll add these two words. Yes, two nouns. So ek hada is used when we are going towards somewhere, going towards a certain location, whereas e oda is used when we are coming towards a certain location. Let's see examples. I have hakyo. It's a place noun. It's a 장소. So to hakyo, I'll add e hada, and we know dha form we can't use. Yes, so ghada, we have learnt ghayo, present tense, simple present tense. So this becomes 학교 에 가요. Yes, I go to school. Yes. Next, let's see 집. 집 is your home or your house. Again, a place noun, a 장소. So to that I add 에 오다. Again, 오다 I can't use. O. To O I add 아요. So this becomes 와요. So 와요, to come, 와요, come. So 집에 와요, I come home. Okay, let's see a few more examples. 저는 한국에 가요. 한국 is my noun location, my 장소. So 한국에 와요, I come to Korea. 저는 마크 씨는 카페에 가요. 카페, again, my noun location. So Mark she goes to the cafe. Mark she 카페에 가요. 줄리 씨 극장에 가요. 극장, again, movie theater is my noun location or my 장소. So Julie she goes to the movie theater. Next 문법 for today is place noun. Again, we have 장소 plus 에서. So 에서 is added after the place noun to indicate where the verb is taking place. Not just you're going there or going towards the direction or coming towards the direction. This is to indicate what you are doing at that place. Yes. So aisa is never used when the sentence is ending with ghada, oda, itta, opta. In these cases, we always use a to the location. We have done it. E issoyo, e opsoyo, e ghayo, e wayo. Yes. So barring these 4 verbs, when I'm doing anything else, when anything else is happening in at that particular location, I'll add so to the 장소 or the place. Let's see. I have cafe, cafe. It's a noun location, my 장소. So cafe, I can add so. 카페에서 마셔요, to drink. So this is okay. 카페에서 마셔요. Okay, perfect sentence. But if I say 카페에 마셔요, this would be wrong. This should be 에서. Anything except 가요, 와요, 있어요, 없어요. So this is neither of those 4. 마셔요, drink. So this would be grammatically wrong. Okay, next let's see. 카페에 가요. This is perfect. 카페에 가요. I go to the cafe. Perfect. 카페에 있어요. It is there at the cafe. Again, this is okay. 카페에 없어요. Not at the cafe. This is also okay. 카페에 와요. Come to the cafe. Is also okay. Had this been as or here and all of these places, these would have been wrong. These endings, 가요, 있어요, 없어요, 와요, I'll always use 에 with my 장소 or my location. Okay, let's see a few more examples. 마크 씨는 회사에서 일해요. Mark, she works at the 회사 or at the company. 줄리 씨는 도서관에서 공부해요. Julie she studies at the library. 에서 공부해요. 에서 일해요. Had it been Mark goes to the company. So this would have been 회사에 가요. Julie goes to the library. Julie 씨는 도서관에 가요. Okay, but because here the verbs are different, verbs are not those 4 verbs that we have done. So it is 에서 with the location. Okay, let's see this conversation. 마크 씨는 어디에 가요? 어디 is where. Yes, again this is my 장소, noun location, so I add 에 가요. 마크 씨는 어디에 가요? 무엇을 해요? 무엇 is what? Yes. So to 무엇 I'm adding object marker. So 무엇을 해요? 마크 씨, where do you go? What do you do? Mark replies, 저는 회사에 가요. I go to the 회사, I go to the company. 일해요, I work. 줄리 씨는 뭐 해요? 줄리 씨, what do you do? Julie replies, 학교에서 공부해요. Ending with 공부해요, so I'll add 에서. Okay, so today we learned about 장소. That's it for today. 안녕히 가세요. I'll see you in the next one.